Okay, in our previous video, okay, I have showed to you how we want to create a column charts, okay, and with a settings, okay, how you want to add the charts elements, how you want to update your data inside your charts and also inside your tables, okay. So now this is the time for you, for me to explain to introduce to you, okay, sorry, how we want to create another types of charts that is a bar chart. Okay, so same steps as a column chart. Okay, what you need to do is you need to select, okay, your data, okay, from A2 until F7. Okay, and then you go to the insert tab. Okay, and then you will see, okay, there is one options here, okay, that is insert columns or bar chart. Okay, previously we used to insert column chart, but this time, okay, we used to insert bar chart. Okay, so when you click this button, okay, they will create, okay, another types of charts for you. All right, and then if you see here, okay, they will add the chart design and format tabs here, so which is the setting, how you want to add the charts elements, how you want to add the chart style together with the data, to switch the row columns, change the chart types, and move chart is the same as the column charts. Okay, you may refer back to my videos, previous videos.